Beginning November 19th, just in time for the holiday season, guests can enjoy an expansion of Downtown Disney along Buena Vista Street for more shopping and dining. Carthay Circle Restaurant is introducing Carthay Circle Lounge Alfresco Dining, a new innovative concept. We want our guests to enjoy Downtown Disney safely, so we do require appropriate face coverings, physical distancing, and temperature screenings upon entry. With limited capacity, we do ask our guests to allow for extra time for their visit. Our guests can enjoy some of their favorite holiday treats at Marceline's or Trolley Treats along Buena Vista Street. I recommend downloading the Disneyland app or visiting disneyland.com/DTD for the latest on health and safety measures before your visit.